Hello everyone. Today I will guide how to register an account and perform Mexc. That's identity verification. This is a very important step when we use financial applications, e-wallet or exchange. Help ensure the safety and security of your account. And the floor that I'd like to show you today, that's the Mexc floor. Here you can see there's a lot of features here. And to use them, for this feature, you need to have an account. Personal. The way to register this account is very simple. If any of you have an account, you just need to click on the login and use as normal. I will click on the sign up section. You're going to use your Gmail. Or you can also use a phone number. You'll click on the part Gmail so we can log in. You're going to press this blue button. Then you have created a Mexc account. As you can see here, there's a lot of features. For example, Event Center. Mall you can comfortably play on this floor. After completing the registration and confirm, then you can log into your account. However, at this time, your account is not fully functional, so we need to do more Mexc account steps. To which Mexc gets account? It's very simple. Mexc means user verification. First, you go to the Mexc section. I have accessed it here. Here you can either have a primary Mexc or an advanced Mexc. I prefer to use this part here. Then you'll click on it. Check the scan. Here you will choose the country that you're living in. I will choose the country in which I live. Then I will choose ID means citizen identification, passport, driver's license, or any paper. Then you click on next. Here will be the tutorial. Wait for us to verification of identity documents. You'll leave your ID into this fully lit place without cutting corners. There's no blur or glare. You can open the camera and you take a picture of your ID directly. Or you can take a picture and upload it. We're going to photograph the front and back of the citizen's ID. And after that after taking the picture, we will click continue. After sending the information, the system will check it. Then we'll wait for the review. After completing the steps, verification of identity papers and facial confirmation, we will wait for the review. And the processing time can be from a few minutes to a few hours. And you'll notice that when we subscribe to the Mexc channel, accounts, does not share OTP code. Then you don't share the OTP code to any AI. And use real information to avoid account lock. Ensure the paperwork. Make sure the papers are valid. Take clear pictures to avoid. Take clear pictures of the face to avoid being rejected. Mexc. You can see it. You can see the hotel. You can see what the trading floor makes. This is a lot. The features. There is copper. We can see the copper as copper. BTC, ETH, gold, solar, silver, and you can buy it. You can buy it. You can trade on this platform. And a lot of other features. I have completed instructions on how to register an account and make the Mexc. This is a very important step so that you can make full use of the features in a safe way. And thank you for listening. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and follow to support yourself. In the next video, I will guide you more details on how to use this floor Mexc. Hi, I'll see you in the next video.